all you young whippersnappers out there, this is the only thing this tool is good for, okay? Other than doing what I'm doing with it, don't use them for undoing nuts and bolts. But it sure makes a universal tool for grabbing a keyway and being able to rotate your crank. Now, let's just talk a little bit about what we see here on the cylinder wall. The pistons, beautiful, to be honest with you. No ring wash. Ring wash should be, this would be starting to be cleared off. You got carbon completely around the whole piston, and there's no ring wash or anything like that. The cylinder walls look absolutely pristine. Now, I tell you, whatever they're using, the ductile iron or whatever they're using for their liners is probably pretty dang good, because there's no ridge, there's nothing on the top of that cylinder. It's sweet. Same on this side?
Yeah, everything looks pretty good.
Yeah. Let's roll this thing over and see if we can figure out the mystery of the screws and washers. Oh, this is really, really weird, man. You know, unless there's something inside once we pull off this lower girdle. Oh, this is so exciting, dude. We get to see the insides of our patient. Aren't you excited?
I am excited.
I'm excited.
It's cool to see the inside of these kind of things.
This is our first, it's like, this is virgin territory, literally, man. I still get all excited about a motor I've never done before. Straight up without binding it. That's gonna be the trick. Hang on, it's gotta come even or we'll bind it up. There you go. Beautiful.
Good stuff. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Now when I say wear, okay guys, this isn't like, this motor wasn't making noise with this type of wear. And the crank, this is a cross plane crank. So your throws are 90 degrees opposite of each one of them. And none of them, the bearings, I can tell by almost looking at it, we didn't have any bearing matter in the pan.
When we pulled off the pan, there was definitely metal in the pan. I can't say for sure if it
Well,
was
I
bearing
think
matter,
the
though.
metals, the chain